ka-freshness. Ang pogi ni Pang. Freshness. Very fine. Chip.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Chip. I-advance mo na, Chip. Merry Christmas to everyone. Ayun, mga kaibigan. Ang ating ka-freshness. Ka-freshness, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Alam kong dami kang ginagawa sa DTCam. Na hindi ko na alam kung saan susundan. Well, I know you're enjoying.
Yeah.
Ay, kaibigan ko pala. Oh. Ayan lang, kaibigan. Yo, may mami.
Okay.
So ay mga kaibigan, si Yorme may kausap, si Vice, andun din po ready, so punta natin doon, makimarites tayo dito. Ay, ang gwapo naman. Mga kaibigan, si Yorme at si Vice, kasama po si director ng ating DTCam, si Director Crystal Bagatsing, ang ating ka-freshness. Ayan. So, welcome po dito sa shelter mga kaibigan. Pwede. Nahiyaw siya.
Bayan niya. Pag senior, may discount. Amin na po. Sige. Puro may asin pa. Pinaka-sport sa Manila. Lolot na lang.
Hi, sir. Mga pinakamamahal ni Yorme. Pinakamamahal ni Yorme. Mga Gen Z. Mga Gen Z. Fairness, ha? Blooming ni Vice siya. Mag-aaway dyan, ha? Huwag kayo mag-aaway. Sige mo, lapit mo. Hindi ko nakita si Jing dito.
Sino?
Si Jing.
Jing?
Yung pinakamamahal ni Vice G. Ay, dito pala siya. Hi, kamusta yung passion niyo po? Oh? Visit niya. Sila po yung mga seniors.
Resurrected value of $2,000. The two didn't fire implement before this the 26. I was thinking this
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Oh.
Hello. Merry Christmas. Gusto niyo ba ng maso? Kayo ulit na. Ilan po kayo? Our representative from Department of PDC, which is partner of City of Mayor. OIC Regional Director is Nadia Agustin. And OIC Assistant Regional Director Ivanovich Agor. At ang ating Director of Manila Tourism, former Congresswoman Director Risa Lopez. And our Vice Mayor Chief Jensen. We will be Executive Committee led by General Manager Richard Nasiri. Members and the media and guests, mga bata, at i-share natin kami sa ating operations mga activities. Very close sa akin, close sa ako, nag-operate sila sa Naanak Hospital. It's a good start at pagkatulad ng mga naghahanap buhay sa Manila ay natututo at muli nabubuhay ang pagkatawang gawa sa kapwa. Palakpakan natin siya naman. Ito na, gusto niyo akong kaya ako nangulang na ako kay Vice Mayor ng Rosa. Wala na pa ako pero we started because I do believe in what Operation Smile is doing. Putting smile in the world, not only in the country. But today is Christmas, season of Christmas, season of loving, caring, and giving. So anong gift na gusto niyo?
Christmas card.
But the parents, the states, the community, I think there will be brighter days for the city of Manila this quarter, and especially next year, wherein the country will host the ASEAN. And Manila will be very busy working hand in hand with DOT for next year as host the ASEAN. Kaya maraming magandang mangyayari at kami ni Vice Mayor Chief at sa po ng inyong mga opisyal ay malugod na pinaalam na kinawa ng Diyos, the city of Manila will recover with your hand. Kaya today, Sheraton family, thank you for doing and continue doing business in the city and giving opportunity for all people here in the city of Manila. Rest assured, there will be certainty in our little way to make Manila pleasant and safe for those who will come to this establishment, visit, come, daily in and out of the city, and those who are living in the city. So to the people of Manila, Merry Christmas. Sana may sa puso natin ang diwa ng Pasko. Ang diwa ng Pasko ay pagmamahalan at pagbibigay. Ano ba sa friends sa kanila? Gina? Jerusa. So everyone, come visit Sheraton. It's a good place to spend your staycation, especially during the season. Meron sila magagandang offer. Ito ba yung paborito ko pa siya yan? Nagkaso yun. Alam niya ang mga staff dito. Ang bayang ko ito. For the past 4 months, never pa ako rin nakapagpapi dito. Because when I assumed the office, wala na akong ginawa ko dito ng whole na lost opportunity for the city of Manila and the people of Manila for the last 10 years. But anyway, moving on, always way forward, we're going to do our best. Inihawa ang Diyos, makalimutan tayo. Okay, kung wala na pagkasa, marami na muli nagtitiwala na ganyan negosyo sa Luzon ng Manila. To the people of Ermita Malaya, we started rejuvenating, relief, the bird, with the good vibes of the community. Your city is going to invest in all other activities from Knock Avenue, Alaw, Cross Boulevard, up to Little Cruz. That's where community. Why not in the link ang Ermita Malaya area? Kaya, hindi ko, huwag natin kalimutan ang diwa ng Pasko, umalan at pagbibigayan. Now, if I'm not asking too much, I think that aside I'm also to do something for our country, in our city and the world. In New Year's Eve, let's pray for peace and stability of the world. Tingnan niyo yung bata sa kanila. Tayo yung mga edad, marami na tayo karanasan. Yung iba masama, yung iba masaya. Pero sa tayo tagumpay, pagkakataon. The children right beside this area deserves peaceful community. They don't deserve animosities. Kaya naman ang atin nila. Gawin natin ang maayos ang kasalukuyan para mga bata dito ay magkaroon ayos kaya pang maaliwalas na so muli, as the mayor, I'm happy to see this one of you, especially sa Kapatlan, sa isa ng mga bata, masusupport sa akin yung mga lola ninyo. Lahat ng senior citizen na nandito, I love you. Ako ito kayo mga yan. So mag-ingat kayo, yawan nyo, walang pag-asa, makakakawasan tayo. Let's do our best and let God do the rest. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year sa inyong lahat. Magpalain nawa kayo na Nuya! God first. Thank you.
Our general manager and our executive committee to join us here at the front to begin our tree lighting ceremony.
Doon na lang ako tatapos sa IC na lang. Doon ako sa Ferris wheel.
Let's all count down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Merry Christmas!
Naku, nabigat ang kasid. Bye, Chip.
Merry Christmas!
Yes! Advance na natin. Happy New Year na rin. Heavy? Heavy nga, bigat.